Here is a financial fact that most Americans are never taught in school. The difference between people who build real wealth and people who spend their entire lives struggling is not income, it is assets. Most people work hard, earn a paycheck, spend what comes in, and save whatever's left over, which is usually not much. Wealthy people do something fundamentally different. They acquire assets, things that hold value, generate income, or grow over time, and they start as early as possible. Today, we're going to cover the 5 assets every American should own before the age of 30. Whether you are 22 just starting out or 38 and feeling like you are behind, this list applies to you. Let's get into it. The first and arguably most important asset on this list is an S&P 500 index fund. If you own nothing else on this list, own this. The S&P 500 is a basket of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, and 496 others. When you invest in an index fund that tracks the S&P 500, you're buying a small ownership stake in all of them at once. Here's why this matters. Over the past 30 years, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of approximately 10 to 11%. Compare that to the national average savings account interest rate of around 0.5%. The gap is not small. It's the difference between building wealth and losing ground to inflation every single year. The best part? You do not need to be rich to start. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab allow you to begin investing in S&P 500 index funds with as little as $1. The key is consistency. Invest a fixed amount every month, regardless of what the market is doing, and let compound growth do the heavy lifting over time. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every year you wait is a year of compounding you cannot get back. The second asset is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools the U.S. government offers, and most young Americans have never heard of it. It's called a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement account with an extraordinary tax advantage. You contribute money that has already been taxed, it grows completely tax-free, and when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay 0 taxes on the gains. 0 on potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars of growth. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year to a Roth IRA if you are under 50. That's $7,000 per year growing tax-free for decades. If you invest that amount annually from age 25 and earn a 9% average return, by age 65, you would have over $2.3 million, all of it tax-free. Open a Roth IRA today through Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Contribute whatever you can. Even $50 a month is a start. The account itself is free to open and takes about 15 minutes to set up. There is almost no reason not to have one. The third asset is real estate, but not in the way most people think about it. Everyone knows real estate builds wealth. The problem is that buying a property in America today requires a significant down payment, a strong credit score, and the ability to manage a mortgage. Barriers that make direct ownership unrealistic for many people in their 20s. The solution is REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. A REIT is a company that owns income-producing real estate, apartment buildings, shopping centers, hospitals, office towers, and is legally required to distribute at least 90% of its taxable income to shareholders as dividends. You can buy shares of publicly traded REITs through any brokerage account for the price of a single share, sometimes under $20. You get real estate exposure, regular dividend income, and the ability to sell your position instantly if needed. It is the most accessible way for the average American to own a piece of the real estate market without a mortgage. The fourth asset on this list cannot be bought on any stock exchange. It lives inside you, and it may be the most inflation-proof asset of them all, your skills. In today's economy, certain skills command premium compensation regardless of market conditions.
Data analysis, software development, digital marketing, UX design, financial modeling, copywriting, video production. Professionals with these capabilities consistently earn $50 to $150 per hour or more, either as employees or freelancers. The investment required is time, not money. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and YouTube offer high-quality instruction in virtually every in-demand skill, often for free or at very low cost. A motivated person can develop a job-ready skill set in 3 to 6 months of consistent practice. Here is the critical insight. A highly marketable skill increases your earning potential, which increases your ability to invest in every other asset on this list. Skills are the foundation that everything else is built on. Invest in your own capabilities before you invest in anything else. The fifth and final asset is one that the wealthiest generation of young Americans is quietly building right now: a digital income stream. A digital income stream is any online asset that generates revenue with limited ongoing time investment once it is established. This includes a monetized YouTube channel, a newsletter with paid subscribers, an online course, a digital product store, or an affiliate marketing website. The reason this belongs on a wealth-building list is simple. It creates income that is not tied to your time. A traditional job pays you for hours worked. A digital asset can generate revenue at 2 a.m. while you sleep, on weekends when you are offline, and years after you created it. Starting a digital income stream requires more patience than money. Most take 6 to 18 months before generating meaningful revenue. But the Americans building these assets in their 20s are creating financial leverage that compounds alongside their investment portfolios, giving them multiple income sources that traditional financial advice never mentions. Let's bring this together. The 5 assets every American should own before 30 are an S&P 500 index fund, a Roth IRA, real estate exposure through REITs, a highly marketable skill set, and a digital income stream. You do not need to build all 5 overnight. Start with 1. Open that index fund account today. Contribute $50. Sign up for that online course. Write that first article. The compounding effect of small, consistent actions taken early is the entire secret to financial success, and it is available to anyone willing to start. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video gave you a clear path forward, subscribe for more content on building real financial security in America. And drop a comment below. Which of these 5 assets are you starting with first?